So yesterday we have seen about the percentage, basic percentage कैसे calculate करते हैं, the fastest way to calculate percentage that we have seen. Today we will see the next type of problem which includes salary. So how to calculate salary when percentage are involved, those type of problems we will see one by one. So अगर बीच में आपको कोई भी doubt आए तो please let me know. All right. Yes. So first problem, if a person spends 40% of his salary on food, 20% on house rent, 10% on shopping and 10% on conveyance, if he can save rupees 1500 at the end, then what is the salary of the person? Okay, so as I told you, percentage में जब भी हम बात करते हैं, we always consider the basic as 100. Okay, so 100% अगर हमने माना, so अगर person की salary 100% है, so how much he is spending, so that we'll first find out. So 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10, how much it is? 80%. So 80% he is spending, that means he is saving only 20%, and he can save rupees 1500 at the end, means 20% of his salary is 1500. Right, what we did, we assume that person is earning 100%, मतलब उसका जो income है that we assume 100%, उसमें से he is spending something. तो how much he is spending? 40%, 20%, 10% and 10%. अगर आप देखा जाए तो 40% ऑफ, अगर सपोज आपने सैलरी 100% की जगह 100 रुपीज़ मान ली, 40% ऑफ 100 इज 40, 20% of 100 is 20, 10% of 100 is 10, 10% of 100 is 10. So 40 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10, 80 rupees he is spending out of 100 rupees he is getting. So how much he is saving? 20 rupees, right? 100 minus the spend. So what 20 rupees is equivalent to 1500 of his salary. So that's what we have assumed, it is 100%, let the salary be 100%. Then expenditure, we will minus it from the overall income, and then salary saved will be 20%. So 20% is equal to 1500. So 20% of what is equal to 1500? 20% of what? So 20% के लिए 20 upon 100, off के लिए into salary. So salary will be 7500. So person's salary is 7500, out of which he is spending, and at the end 1500 is saved. So every time you don't need to enter into complex calculation. जब भी ऐसे spend के problems आते हैं, you always first sum up the percentage he is spending, वो income में से minus करो, so you will get how much percent he is saving, and that percent is equivalent to how much rupees will be given to you. So accordingly you can calculate. Got it? If a person invests 7%, which is 2710 of his monthly income in mutual fund, 18% in recurring and 6% in NSC, that is National Savings Certificates. So what is the total amount invested by him annually? You are asked to find the amount invested annually. ये monthly दिया है आपको कि monthly how much he is saving. So at the end आपको जो आंसर मिलेगा उसको आपको 12 से into करना है to get the investment of 12 months. Annually means yearly. So first we will see, person invests 7% of his salary in mutual, 18% and 6%. So let that be 100%. अगर हमने वो माना तो 7% of salary is 2710 monthly salary. So we can easily calculate the salary, right? So 31,000 is his salary. Out of how much he is investing? 7 plus 18 plus 6, which is 31%. So 31% of 31,000 कितना होता है? That much he is investing monthly. So 9610, which is investing monthly. So annually we have to just multiply by 12. हाँ, अब जब भी कॉम्प्लेक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशंस आते हैं, that you can see here 12 I have divided into 10 plus 2. So 9610 into 10 is much easier, just एक 0 add करो, and 9610 into 2 is easier than 9610 into 12. So that is how you bifurcate the complex calculation into simple calculation. So at the end you will get rupees 15320, 115320. तो आपको कोई भी एक अमाउंट दिया होगा, उसका परसेंटेज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू 7% विच इज 2710 ऑफ हिज मंथली इनकम. सो 7% ऑफ सैलरी इज 2710. सो उससे हम सैलरी ढूंढे. देन टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट परसेंटेज वी विल ऐड टू गेट द टोटल परसेंटेज. सो 31% इज द टोटल सम. सो 31% ऑफ 31,000 इज 9610. दैट इज मंथली इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो यू multiplied by 12 and you will get the total investment annually. 12 का टेबल आता है तो you can go directly, but if in case नहीं आ रहा तो, but it's better you know all the tables and at least squares and cubes of main numbers. Now person spends 20% on household expenditure. Out of the remaining 25%, he spends on children's education, 15% on transport, 15% on medicine and 10% on entertainment. Still he is left with 9800 at the end. So what is his salary amount? अब household expenditure पे वो 20% spend करता है. फिर जो बचती है उसमें से 25% he is spending on child, 15% on transport, medicine and entertainment. And then he is again left with 9800, right? So how will you add the percentages? So obviously we will assume, let it be rupees 100, or you can assume it as 100% as well. So 20% on household, तो बचा कितना? 80 rupees. उस 80 rupees का 25%, 15%, 15 and 10, right? So 80% of salary includes all other expenses. So how much are the expenses? Which is 65%. They are adding up to 25 plus 15 plus 15 plus 10. So 65% of rupees 80 is rupees 52. या तो आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, अगर टोटल सैलरी 100% ली, right? So 20% of the salary प्लस एक्सपेंडिचर क्या है? रिमेनिंग सैलरी में से, मतलब 25% ऑफ दिस 100% माइनस दिस 20% ऑफ सैलरी. ये मीनिंग बता रही हूँ मैं, राइट? Then he is spending on child education plus 15% on something and plus 15% plus 10%. So आप ये कर सकते हो, पहले जो इसका आप निकालोगे 25 plus 15 plus 15 plus 10, it is summing up to 65%, right? So 65% he is spending from the 25% of the remaining amount, from the remaining amount, right? So this 65% plus this 20% will be his total spend. Then you will have to find out, but of what? That is not clear because this one is different than this one. Amount is different, so we cannot directly add it. इसलिए हमने 100% नहीं यहाँ पे चूज किया. We have chosen 100 rupees. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ऑफ का जो यहाँ की सैलरी और यहाँ की सैलरी इज टोटली डिफरेंट. अगर ये दोनों सेम होते तो भी कैलकुलेशन ईजी होता, राइट? सो इफ वी अज्यूम द बेसिक सैलरी एज रुपीज 100, then 20% of 100 is what? 20 rupees. So 20 rupees he is spending on household. बचे कितने? 80 rupees. 25% plus 15% plus 15 plus 10 of 80 rupees he is spending on other expenses, which is 65% of 80. So 65% of 80 he is spending on other expenses. So 65% of 80 कितना होता है? 65% of 80 52. So rupees 52 again he is spending on other expenses. So 20 rupees on household course and 52 on other expenses. So we have assumed his salary as rupees 100. उसमें से 20 रुपीज़ हाउस होल्ड पे गए, 52 रुपीज़ बाकी एक्सपेंसेस पे गए, तो बचे कितने? 72, 100 माइनस 72, सो विच इज 28. So how much he is able to save? 28. That means 28% we can say, अगर हम परसेंटेज में बात करें तो. So now we have to see he is able to save 28 rupees at the end. In the problem it is given that he is left with rupees 9800. So his saving is equivalent to 9800, right? So if we assume this as 28%, so 28% of what is equal to 9800? समझे? We have assumed person's salary as rupees 100, 20% is spending on household and remaining 65% is spending on other expenses. So we have added and 65% of 80 rupees, remaining 80 rupees is 52 rupees is spending on other expenses. तो उसकी सैलरी से बचा कितना? 28 rupees. This is equivalent to 28%, which is equivalent to 9800. So 28% of his salary is equal to 9800 he is saving at the end. So now we can easily find the salary of the person. Right? So 28 का टेबल किसको आता है? Okay, we will फोर्टीन का टेबल आता है, 14 2 जा एंड 14 7 जा, 1 2 3 4, 2 1 जा 2, सॉरी 1 0 लेस, 3500. नो, ये 35,000 लेस, because he is having 9800 as saving, so obviously 35,000 will be his salary, right? So this is how we have solved the problem. तो जब भी आपको एक्सपेंडिचर आता है पहले सारे परसेंटेज को ऐड करो टू गेट द टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर, subtract it from the basic salary to get the saved percentage and accordingly you can calculate. Previous example also you could have assumed it as rupees 100. Which one? This one. This one. So salary 100 होती तो भी 20 rupees बचते, तो again 20% is equivalent to 1500. ऐसे करके we could have found, right? So always assume the basic value as 100, then you can carry out further calculation. Monthly salaries of A and B together amount to rupees 40,000. A spends 85% of his salary and B 95% of his salary. Now their savings are same, so what is the salary of A? Monthly salaries of A and B are 40,000. तो एक का X माना तो दूसरे का होगा 40,000 minus X, right? A is spending 85% of his salary, B is 95% of his salary, and both of their savings are same. So what is the salary of A? So how to solve it? Let's assume saving of A is 15%. सेविंग्स आर सेम, 85% स्पेंड है, मतलब बचा हुआ 15% वो सेव कर रहा है, राइट. सो 15% इज सेविंग ऑफ ए एंड 5% इज द सेविंग ऑफ बी, एंड देयर सेविंग्स आर इक्वल. So we will consider one as x, another one is 40,000 minus x. So it is equal. So we will see 15% of x is equal to 5% of 40,000 minus x. I hope you are getting how I have calculated. Their sum of the salaries is 40,000. A plus B together earn 40,000. तो एक का x माना तो दूसरे को obviously 40,000 minus x आएगा income. And their savings are same after spending so much. तो ए अगर अपनी सैलरी में से 85% स्पेंड कर रहा है एंड ही इज सेविंग 15%, स्टिल इट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू बीज सैलरी, बीज सेविंग हु इज सेविंग ओनली 5%. सो 5% ऑफ बी इज इक्वल टू 15% ऑफ ए, राइट. सो ए के हमने x माना तो b विल बी 40,000 माइनस x. एनी ऑफ देम यू कैन कंसिडर एज x एंड माइनस 40,000 माइनस x. पर हमें पूछा किसका है, a का. सो जिसका पूछा है उसी का x माने तो अपना x स्टेप कैलकुलेशन तो कम होगा, राइट. तो सैलरी ऑफ a इज आस्क्ड, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव कंसिडर्ड सैलरी ऑफ a एज x एंड अदर्स इज 40,000 माइनस x. सो वी गेट directly the value of x as 10,000, which is the salary of a. So solve these practice questions. If a person spends 30% of his salary on food and donates 3% to NGO, then his total spend is rupees 2310. Find his total salary. अब यहाँ पे सेविंग ना देके स्पेंड दिया है 7,000. लेट्स चेक. यस, करेक्ट 7. एवरीवन गॉट 30% ऑफ हिज सैलरी ऑन फूड एंड डोनेट्स 3%. तो टोटल स्पेंड हुआ उसका 33%, विच इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 2310. So 33% of what is 2310? That you will have to calculate. Next, Keshav spends 30%, sorry, 55,000 on his birthday party. Wow. Rupees 28,000 on buying some furniture, and the remaining 25% was left in cash with him. What was the total amount he had initially? Let's check. Yes, very good Preeti. Yes, correct. So total spent, you have to subtract it from 100%. So 25% was left in cash with him. So 25% was the saved rupees. So spent आपको प्लस करके x में से माइनस करोगे, which is equal to 25% of x. Got it? So let the total amount may be x. So x minus 55 minus 28,000 करके जो अमाउंट आएगा that is equivalent to 25% of x. Got this equation? Any doubt? Man spends 40% of his monthly salary on food, 1/3 of the remaining on transport, and saves 4,500 per month, which is half the balance after spending on food and transport. So his monthly salary is. So let the monthly salary be rupees 100. In this case you can consider rupees jab actual amount is involved. So 40% of his monthly salary is how much? 40 rupees. He is spending on food. So remainder is 60. 1/3 of the 60 he is spending on transport. That means rupees 20 he is spending on transport. C wala, okay. Yes, correct, very good. So how did we do it? 60 ka 1/3 is 20 rupees he is spending on transport, and still he is saving 4,500 per month. तो कितना स्पेंड किया, 100 में से कितना बचा, दैट मच परसेंट इज इक्वल टू 4,500 पर मंथ, बट इट इज हाफ ऑफ द बैलेंस आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग ऑन इट, राइट. दैट मीन्स ही इज सेविंग 9,000. balance remained is 9,000, right? So that is how you have to calculate. Any doubt in this, or should I show it on the board? If you don't speak, I will assume no doubt. Last question, since you people are having campus exam, I will wind up little early today, maybe 40 minutes lecture. Vipul decided to donate 12% of his salary to an orphanage. On the day of donation, he changed his mind and donated rupees 2400, which was 125% of what he had decided earlier. So how much is Vipul's salary? A? Correct. How did you do? See, 12% of his salary he was supposed to donate. But on the day of donation, he changed his mind and donated 125% of what he had decided earlier. So what he had decided earlier, 12%. So 125% of 12% of the salary he donated, which is equal to, he donated only 2400. Right? So now you can solve this as 125 upon 100 into 12 upon 100 of salary, like this. So your total salary will be so after you okay 20. So 8 into 20 is the answer. Got how did he solve? He had decided 12% to donate out of his salary, but what he donated, 125% of what he had decided. So 125% of 12% of salary and he donated 2400. So इसको हमने ऐसा किया, फिर ऐसा किया and we got the answer. So जो पहले वाला भी था, man spends 40% of his salary on food, then 1/3 on remaining transport, right? So अगर 100 रुपीज़ उसकी सैलरी है, so 40% he spend on food, that means ₹40. तो remaining कितना 60. 1/3 of the remaining he spent on food, transport, whatever, food and transport, and still he is left with 4500 he saved, which is half of the remaining balance. उसके पास जो बैलेंस था उसका हाफ है ये 4500 which is saved, but that means बैलेंस कितना हुआ 9000. So after spending this much, what is remained? 100 minus 40 minus 20. 40 rupees is remained. So 40% of total is equal to 9000. So accordingly you will be able to solve. Got it? Okay. So back to the slide. So whatever problems we have seen, try to solve yourself, and if you have any doubt regarding this salary portion, just contact me, because most of the types I have covered here, and you know more than less than कैसे calculate करते हैं, जो than वाला होता है उसको minus करके. So अगर दोनों की salary comparison हो तो इसकी salary उससे इतनी ज़्यादा है तो उसकी से कितनी कम होगी, those kind of questions will also come. So that problem we have already seen yesterday, those kind of problems how to solve. So we will go step by step so that concept will be clear. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.